Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So friends, in today's video, we're going to tell you about the Dhanvarsha Potli, wealth potli, made for Diwali. How should we make the Dhanvarsha Potli? What ingredients should it contain, and what should we do with last year's potli this year? You'll find all the details in this video. Please watch the video completely. So friends, the Dhanvarsha Potli has many benefits. Those who made this potli last year must have noticed some improvement in their income. They may have even experienced more prosperity than before. So, if you haven't made this potli yet, I suggest you try it once. For this, you need to get a red or pink potli. Okay? You can easily find one at any puja shop or goldsmith. If you can't find a potli, you can also use red or pink cloth. Satin or silk is best, otherwise, you can use whatever you have. So, I've told you both things. You can take whatever you can easily find. After that, take a thali or plate and spread a cloth on it. Okay? We need to provide a seat for all the things, and on the night of Diwali, you can place whatever I told you to keep there. Perform puja with all these things. So, first, let's see what we need. I've taken 5 yellow turmeric here. Turmeric lumps. We're taking 5 cowries. You can increase the number, or if that's not possible, you can take fewer. That means, you can take 2 turmeric lumps and 2 yellow cowries. After that, we've taken 5 lotus beads. And then we're taking 5 Gomati chakras. You can see that the Gomati chakra has a circle-like shape on it. So, we need to take these. Friends, these are the things that Goddess Lakshmi loves very much. Next, we've taken 5 green cardamoms. And after this, let's take 5 betel nuts. Betel nuts are used in worship. Okay, so, we've taken 5 betel nuts. So, try to keep as old a silver coin as you can in it. If your mother-in-law, your mother, or anyone else has ever given you a silver coin, make sure to keep that coin in it. My mother gave me this coin when I had my son. I've kept it very carefully, and I keep it in my money bag every year. And if you don't have an old coin, you can keep a new coin. And if you need to keep some cash in it, consider cash, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, more than 1000 rupees, and make sure to keep at least 100 rupees in it. Okay? After this, let's take some yellow mustard seeds. So, friends, yellow mustard seeds are very powerful. They will prevent negativity from entering your safe. Yellow mustard seeds have a very positive effect. So, be sure to keep some of it. To make it even more powerful, you can take a small conch shell, a right-angled conch shell, and a silver Lakshmi Ganesha. If you can find a one-eyed coconut, you can keep it. If you can find black gunja or red gunja, you can keep it. Okay? And if you don't have anything else, then these are the things I mentioned. Next, see, I've also added cinnamon and camphor. So, we must keep these things. Additionally, you can keep a small coconut. This is a small coconut, and you can keep any black turmeric you can find. So, friends, you can add as many items as you can easily find, okay? You can add as many items to the bundle as you can. For example, if you have a pearl conch shell, you can keep it. You can keep any gemstone you have. Okay? If nothing else, the things I've mentioned are readily available to everyone and are easily available. Also, the coriander you brought for Dhanteras, you must have used it for the Lakshmi Puja. be sure to keep some coriander seeds in it. Okay? If you don't have a silver coin, don't worry. If you can find a 10 rupees or 20 rupees coin, that's great. You can keep that too. You can keep a little bit of gas, or even more. Now let's find out what to do with the bundle we made last time. So, look, you kept the yellow turmeric, coriander, rice grains, if that's okay. You might have kept the green cardamom. You need to separate these items because they spoil. What should you keep in it? The Gomati chakra, okay? And you might have kept the yellow cowrie shells. You might have kept the betel nut. Those would be fine. You should keep the same silver coin. You need to exchange the note. You can buy puja items with the note you kept in it last year. Okay? And put a new note in it again. And whatever material you remove from it, you will immerse it. So, you can immerse it in water or in the ground. Okay? If you have a Sri Yantra or Kuber Yantra, you can also place it in this bundle. You can use any metal. Otherwise, you can worship the normal ones available in the market first. After that, you can place them in the bundle. And after placing all the material, you can also place the lotus or rose flower that you have offered to the Mother Goddess. After this, we will tie a knot in it properly with the help of a thread. We will tie the bundle tightly. So friends, when you open last year's bundle, be sure to purify the Gomati chakra and the yellow cowrie with Ganga water. Place them in front of the Mother Goddess. Apply tilak and sandalwood paste on them. Show them incense and lamps. Only after that should you complete the bundle. Before making the bundle, be sure to chant any Mahalakshmi mantra you know. Consecrate your bundle. Then, keep it where you keep your money. You shouldn't open this bundle for the rest of the year. Okay? Yes, but whenever the full moon or new moon day comes, or if you fast on Fridays, or on any special Lakshmi Puja days, you should definitely worship your safe or locker. Sprinkle perfume on this bundle. Show incense and lamps to this bundle, as if it were Goddess Lakshmi herself. Worship her as if by considering it as such. You shouldn't open this bundle for the rest of the year. It will only be opened next year on Diwali. Okay? So, you should open this bundle before the Diwali Puja. Whatever items are meant for immersion, you can immerse them. Wash any remaining items with Ganga water and put them back in the bundle. So, friends, this is a very powerful bundle. Those who have made this bundle every year know its benefits. If you haven't made one yet, you should definitely make one this year. And you can make more than one bundle. If you have a shop or business, keep it there. Keep it at home too, and you can even prepare this bundle in someone else's name. So friends, I hope you like the information given in today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment.